Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be learning how to make a pop-up flower card. Let's get started. So here I have two examples, a Valentine's Day and a Mother's Day card. You can, of course, make this for any special occasion. Oh, they're so cute. I love it. You know, and they just pop out and pop off the edge. I just really like this. It's so cute. So what you're going to need to make these is you're going to need a little bit of glue, some scissors. You're going to need a square piece of paper and then a rectangular piece of paper. And this is going to be the outer card, and this is going to be our inner flower. So what you're going to do first is fold point to point, and then open it up. Fold point to point again. Next really important step after you open it up is you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to fold side to side. And then we're going to fold side to side again. That flip earlier was really important because it helps this part see the direction of the fold here, how this goes up and that goes down. It makes it really easy to close that. And voila. With this, we're going to fold it in half and we're going to cut out our flower. So that's a simple curve shape from the center point. Curve shape here. Okay. And then when we open this up, we should have a little 4-leaf clover. And this you can use for something else. If you want to make a little crown for yourself, that is up to you, or put it in the trash, but don't leave it lying around. Be sure to clean it up for yourself. All right, so let's make our next fold, and this is the hardest fold in my opinion, is you have to take each of these, okay, and you're gonna fold it towards the center, and then you have to, the hard part, pop it in like that. Okay, let's do it again because we have to do it 3 more times. So we're going to fold this towards the center. Oh guys, that's not perfect. But you know what? It's okay. It does not need to be perfect. See how it looks. Open it up and pop it in. Can I get it to work? Let's see. Oh, that looks just fine. Okay. Now the other side. Fold that in. And there we go. One more time. Can we do it? I think I can. I can. Oh, I definitely needed to practice first myself. And look at me now. Ooh. It's looking good. So when I open it up, voila, it's like a little flower. Okay. At this point, you want to decorate it before you glue it down. Once you glue it down, it's going to be a little harder to decorate. But I'm going to go ahead and glue it to show you guys how to do that, and then I will let you all get to work. So, let's fold it back up. And I love how this is a zigzag. You'll see that zigzag fold, but in a circle is what we just made. Zigzag in a circle form. Okay, so we're going to put a dot of glue on each side, and then we're going to smear that glue. Remember, smearing is what really gets it drying. Little dot, little dot. So I got my dot on each side. I'm going to smear those dots around. I do want to go all the way off the edge here. Okay, now let's grab our rectangular piece of paper, and I'm going to put it point into the center, fold that shut, and press down and count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I should be able to open. At this point, you're probably going to find, did y'all see that just now? This was kind of stuck right there. You want to open it up. Make sure none of these are glued shut on accident. There we go. This is our pop-up flower card. up. And I could cut a curve out like I did on this one, give it a little curved edge, or I can leave it square. Look how I made the card as tiny as possible on this one. I gave this one a little extra room so I could decorate the card outside of it if I wanted. Decorate the front, decorate the back, and send someone a happy flower card. I can't wait to see what we're going to create in the art room. Till next time, class, keep being creative.